Hi friends, how are you? I just wanted to say hi and come on. I know I was not on TikTok or anything like that. I abandoned you guys. I'm sorry, but I'm here. Today, all day, I was driving my kids crazy because they just didn't have anything else to do. So I was like, you know what? Let me just make them tired today. So we went everywhere that they wanted. Coffee place, food place, whatever. And then in the end, we stopped by the park. About 2 hours, 30 minutes or so until they get tired. We finally came home, and I said, "See you guys." And that's where they're at now. I don't know if they sleep yet or not, but it's about 10:08 now, and I'm sure they'll be. By the time I go home, they'll be all knocked out. But yesterday I was so productive, guys. I was so happy. Did I cooked like at least 3 days worth of food, and I meal prep it and I put it in the refrigerator so I don't have to worry about the next 3 days. So maybe by Wednesday I'll make food again and cook or whatever, but till then, I'm good. When I tell you the snacks, the breakfast, the lunch, I figured it out how to do it because I'm trying to do better, and I'm trying to like save money and live better. I guess that's how you call it. As a mom, and literally like I just said, I'm tired of ordering food all the time. Cause normally we order food like 3 days out a week, and I'm like, that's too much, you know. So I was so proud of myself, guys. I hope you guys proud of me. But I just wanted to say hi, and I love you guys. See ya. Bye.